explode again and set off fireworks. Building Buffy repeats the same mistakes. Level 2 ends with an explosion. How did it get here? The construction of Buffy has been delayed for a few days. Mixed. Overweight booster B-15 staged again with chopsticks and rockets. This is the third time. This shows that overweight pushback. Recycling technology is basically mature, laying the foundation for future rapid consumption. But the S-34 ended up exploding again. This is the second test of the second-generation Starship spacecraft. It was also the second explosion of the second-generation Starship spaceship. The last S-33 in Kaifei also ended the same way. The launch time was around 8 minutes and 5 seconds. S-34 engine starts shutting down. The attitude of the hull began to keep flipping. There is no cure for what is visible to the naked eye. 9 minutes and 1 second. The hull screen disappears. 9 minutes 30 for seconds altitude and velocity data stop. 10 minutes and 4 seconds. S-34 disintegrated at an altitude of 146 kilometers. It became fireworks again. Someone from the control room screen, from the computer screen, found footage of the engine exploding. Others will. The failure moments of 7 and 8 were compared. We found out about the same time. Why did it explode again? This has to start with the 7-fly explosion. Building 7 when flying. It is S-33 that caused the pipeline to leak due to the evil earthquake reaction. This led to catastrophic consequences. Then it was upgraded on the S-34, add extra vents, and a new blowing system using 7 fetal eggs. Engine fuel pipeline hardware upgrade, adjust propellant temperature, and set new thrust targets, etc. However, the moment of failure from 7-fly and 8-fly to speed comparisons before and after, and the time of occurrence is very close, etc. Personal feeling, still with the fire hood above the attic area. Too much pressure, trigger a chain reaction. This means that the last improvement did not touch the foundation. Second generation new. The build power system still needs continuous improvement. Of course, the possibility of new problems cannot be ruled out, but from the current picture and information, it's hard to make specific judgments. We can only wait for the official follow-up news. Building the Buffy blast on the follow-up. This year in particular will have a significant impact. 2 explosions are equivalent to standing still. The next 9th flight will definitely be affected. To complete fault location rectification, etc. Wait about 2 months. It is possible to fly 9, and the original thruster return transfer test aimed to launch in March. That's no longer possible. The original plan of 25 times a year may be difficult to complete unless it goes very smoothly in the back, and there will be a chain reaction. In particular, America's return to the moon, the manned rocket SOS of the Altinus program. When dismounting is almost a foregone conclusion, can construction become the core force? If you choose to build, can you pick up the beam quickly? Both are crucial to the US plan to return to the moon. How will the future be built? I'll see.